Now we'll find equation of director circle to hyperbola x square upon a square minus y square upon b square equals to 1. Now in parabola and ellipse, we have already studied that director circle is locus of point of intersection of perpendicular tangents. So we have to find locus of point of intersection of perpendicular tangents and let this locus be alpha comma beta. Now we know that equation of tangent is given by y equals mx plus minus under root of a square m square minus b square. Now this tangent will pass through alpha comma beta. So we can write this as m alpha minus beta whole square, and it must be equal to a square m square minus b square. Now we can write this equation as m square alpha square minus a square minus 2 alpha beta m plus beta square plus b square equals 0. Now this equation will have two real roots, m1 and m2. If we write product of slopes, it will be m1 into m2 and it is equal to c upon a, which is beta square plus b square upon alpha square minus a square. And since we are looking for point of intersection of perpendicular tangents, product of slope must be minus 1. So we'll get beta square plus b square, it must be equal to minus alpha square plus a square. So this locus will be alpha square plus beta square and it is equal to a square minus b square. So equation of director circle will be x square plus y square and it is equal to a square minus b square. Now for a given hyperbola, if a square minus b square is greater than 0, then this director circle will represent a real circle containing infinite points. If a equals b, that is in case of a rectangular hyperbola, we'll get this equation as x square plus y square equals 0. In that case, its director circle will be a single point and there will be a point circle which is the center of hyperbola. And if a square is less than b square, in that case, there won't be any real director circle. Now the next question is, if the tangents PQ and PR are drawn from variable point P to hyperbola x square upon a square minus y square upon b square equals 1, where a is greater than b, so that fourth vertex S of parallelogram PQSR lie on circumcircle of triangle PQR. Now we have this triangle PQR. And the fourth vertex S of parallelogram will lie on this circumcircle. So this fourth vertex, it lie on this circumcircle. Now it has to be a parallelogram. The only parallelogram possible in a circle is a rectangle. So this PQSR, it must be a rectangle. So if it is rectangle, then this angle, it must be 90 degrees. Then this P is nothing but locus of point of intersection of perpendicular tangents, and locus of point of intersection of perpendicular tangents is nothing but director circle. So this locus of P will be simply x square plus y square equals a square minus b square, and that's your option number C.